It's the skipper, Babar.
The captain, the leader, is not going to...
Stands tall once again tonight, and he lights up Gaddafi's team.
प्रैक्टिस मिलेगी
कोशिश यही है
रखे हुए हैं जो हमारे लिए बहुत
taking a good catch.
It's falling at the other end. They need to keep a calm head.
Is it this? That's coming our way.
That is a real credit. Now he has to try to take off, and boy!
Teddy bears.
It's just important for you to just play as nicely as you can this time.
Ball down the wicket, and that is big.
Oh!
It's a straight six. It is a six. Huge shot. Oh. Will it be another one? Yes. Colton now coming on to bowl, covers the stumps and hits a gigantic ball.
And it was a slow game, and Babar does it with style. Hit.
Hammers it for six.
Oh, it's in the air. It is.
Oh, he's picked this up. It's a great. Babar goes straight down the ground. Class
Shot maybe. There he goes, big, magnificent.
First ball from Murnally goes.
Babar was off. Spectacular.
Here we go again. Here we go.